Good evening, everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you this Google Translator application I have designed using React. So let me first show you how this application works, and after that, I will brief you about the code I have used for developing this application. So let's use English to Hindi conversion, and I am writing here, hi, I ordered our Jen, my number is 991 Let's hit this translate button. Oh wow, it has translated everything I have written in English over here in this input box into Hindi, and the text is getting reflected over here in this, the bottom input box. Right? In case I want to translate it into Dutch, I can do it very easily like this, and want me to translate into any other language like Korean, yes, that can also be done very easily through this application. Now, what concept I have used for developing this application, let me first brief you about that before showing you the exact code. So that's the that's the website to which my application is linked. It's Liberate Translate, and you will come on the documentation part of this website. So here you will find everything you can use for linking this website, this external website, with your application. And that's what I have done over here in my React code. Right, so this is the name or URL of the site, and that is what I have used for linking that website to my application. That's the whole code. And then I've used simple HTML code for designing these text areas and these drop downs which you are able to see over here. The data in the drop down is coming from this website, and the translation is also I'm able to translate the text from one language to another with the help of this simple code I have written over here. If you want to learn these kind of things, you can join the coding classes. Besides that, I will make sure that the code, you can access this whole code on your own, on your respective device. So what you have to do for accessing the code, you can visit the link which is there in the description section. It will redirect you to the drive in which I have uploaded all the code. You can download the code from there, and then you can use it on your device, and then you can fine, you can then use this Google Translator application. I hope it is very much clear to all of you. Do avail the coding classes. Definitely you will not regret, and you are going to take away a lot of things from the coding classes I am going to give you. So thank you very much. This is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, and take care all of you.